Hi everyone, and I don't know how many more and what kind of introductions to keep. I don't know, I have to keep scratching my head. Please take it down over there. This Road Rash 1996 by Electronic Arts. Okay, taking it down. Road Rash 1996 by Electronic Arts. Let's get started. So here, let me go to the restroom and load my game. So today we are going to be doing the fourth bike review. As your last time we stopped at the third bike review with Kamikaze. So let me open the file, Ronda the Rash, and let me go to the street to the Rat Bike showroom. And last time you see it's XYZ Kamikaze. Here, this was the last bike which on the last time where I was racing with this bike. So this week I'm going to be taking with the Benzai. So let's see its features. So it's a 450cc Benzai Sport 450. Yeah, we see the bike is pretty good looking. We can see it's a good looking bike. So here let me see the rest of the features. So it's abused on tracks for 6 years, the Sport, and it still handles well and can roar out of corners faster than some bikes twice its size. So here we know they're trying to say that it can be faster than some sport bikes. Yes, we have to see. Let's ride the bike, and we see it's $4,495, 60 HP or 340 lbs. Handling is silky. It's pretty fine. It's decent. It will be similar to the last bike which we were riding. The acceleration is smooth. That's a very good feature we have here. It's a very good trait which we have from this bike, and the top speed is respectable. Yeah, we see in the first line, if I can be faster than some sport bikes, it's really worth this bike. This bike is really worth, I would say. So let me buy this bike, and yeah, I have enough money to afford this bike. So congratulations, I have bought myself a new bike. Let me keep the rubber side down. So here let me go through the street back to the bulletin board. So today I'll be taking the Peninsula as usual where I was racing. So it's going to be 70.6 kilometers, level 3. Let's kill it and nail it. Let's see if we can win it this time. Oh yeah, this bike is pretty good looking as we saw over there. So let's start away right away. Everyone's making a slow start. Yes. So let's go through the trades, and we see the handling is really good. No offense, the handling is great. Yeah, it's a little bit silky, but it's fine. You see, if you have a handling which is like too loose, then it will be difficult to handle. Wait, just let me get engaged. Okay, so yeah, as I was saying, if you have a handling which is too loose, then it would be difficult to control. A tight handling or a tight turning would be good, but not too tight. This doesn't seem too tight. It's pretty decent. It's somewhat towards the side where it is not not giving a lot of freedom, I would say, to move, but that would be a good choice. It depends on the racers also. That's why I'm making my options open here. So yeah, coming to the speed, let me start once again. I just slow down. So here I'm in the 8th place. It's just like the suburban wasteland, so it might be the outskirts of the city. It's like half and half. So it will be like the city and some Napa Valley kind will come in between. So as I was saying in my previous videos, there will be disadvantages and advantages. So let me start away. So yeah, now coming to the speed, yes, it is faster than 160. It will be about 170 kilometers to 180 kilometers an hour. So that will be more than the other 3 rat bikes which I was racing. So this would be a very good option. But for level 1, I think it will be too standard. So I would say if you want to make it fair and tougher, then go for Kamikaze. That would be the best choice, or even Corsair would be a good choice. Peropico not for anything, as I mentioned in my other videos. Please, not Peropico for anything. This bike will be good for level 2, level 3 also, which I am riding now in the 4th place. Yes, it is faster than some sport bikes, as you have seen. So this one will be good for level 2, and level 3 it will give a good competition. So here, if you want some difficult tasks, if you want to improve in your racing in level 3, if you want to improve, choose this bike so that you can try and improve to be fast in this bike. So if you get another better bike than this, then you'll be able to kill it in level 3. you wouldn't have any conflicts. So this bike gives a lot of practice. There are many options open to this bike. Many players can buy this bike. They can use it in level 2 for a winning and level 3 to make it tougher and give a good competition and make themselves better. Got it? So here, Olere! I saw some good comebacks. This was pretty useless. Damn it. Wow, what was the shit it was? Oh, I don't understand. What is this inconsistency? I was really happy last time. Hey, this man, Ross from nowhere is coming. Like some James Bond is coming over there. Yeah. I'm continuing. Police, I don't know. I think there's no use. Really. We want some police also. It'll be a little fun. Otherwise, Road Rash will get little boring also. It'll never be boring, but with you people, it'll be little fun. Now, first I thought you're some clowns, but this is becoming too boring. I think I'll speak to the management to get some good police officers. Then we love that fighting, the rivalry, the war at Road Rash. Oh! Fish. That was so close. Slater is right behind me. He's keeping it right near me. He's right behind me. We see he's coming close towards me. He's approaching me. So let's see how I approach back. So Mike is right over there. Oh, he got moved by the car. Really unfortunate for him. Okay, so yeah, the handling is great. It's a good looking bike. It's smooth. Wait. Just sorry for this inconvenience, but these idiots are giving me a hell lot of trouble. Hey, these... Oh no, I thought I was going to go on the right side. Oh no, man. Please, it's better to take the right side. Here we see cars approaching towards us. It's very irritating. It's difficult to drive here. See. Yeah. So this is the worst track in any level. So please don't take this. Level 1, level 2 you won't find these tracks. But from level 3 to level 5 you will find these tracks. Do not take the left side anywhere. Not only in the city, in other places also. Please do not... No, yeah, sorry. Let me make my point once again. In the city and the peninsula, do not take left. Let me make it clear. City and peninsula, do not take the left. Other places, left would be good choice. Okay. So yeah, I'm sorry for that inconvenience. So as I was coming back, the top speed, yes, it can roar. It is faster than some sport bikes which we have here. So second place. What more can I expect from this bike? From a rat bike. I think best choice level 2, level 3. Level 3, want to practice, get better, this bike. Oh, I fell down, but here I am in the second place. Let me win at least. Here I win. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. See you tomorrow.